Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, hope everybody had a nice, long, and safe holiday weekend. On Friday, one of the private groups came out with higher than expected yields for U.S. soybeans and corn, and that offered some resistance in the overnight market. We've got beans down about 2 to 3 cents, corn and wheat also down about 2 to 3 cents, and it's kind of drifting right now, trying to find a price that would reflect the potential for the USDA raising the crop on September 12th versus the fact that especially corn and wheat prices are already historically at low levels, and maybe especially corn at levels that farmers may not be good sellers. For a quick trip up to Wisconsin and back over the weekend, I saw some diseases in the soybeans. SDS is probably the sudden death syndrome is probably the most prevalent. It didn't seem like it was going to affect yields, but it sure is progressing the crop along and kind of looks strange when you look out into the fields. As far as the outside markets are concerned, stocks look like they're going to be opening up a little bit better. There was one bank that said that the UK economic conditions may be improving after a Brexit. We also noticed that crude oil is higher. It's backed off from its highs, but Saudi Arabia and Russia signed an agreement to at least try to stabilize oil production, although there's no immediate steps on how they're going to do that. That's why crude's kind of backed off from its highs. But crude's higher, stocks are higher, and the dollar's a little bit lower, and the grains are starting out lower. So for the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day calls for mostly normal rains. We'll have above normal temps in the east, below normal temps in the west, but no sign of any frost or freeze yet. So I think that going into the September 12th report, the market may try to leak a little bit lower, just in case USDA comes out with these big numbers. We still have record demand, and that's a supportive feature underneath the market. But so far, it seems like the market might be a little overpriced right now. We did note that the funds added to their short positions in corn and wheat, took their long position in beans down, and that's kind of expected in this type of market. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.